Match-worn relics have been worn or used by a player in a match or event. Some cards will also list specifics about the relic, such as the season, year, or specific event the relic was used in. These are typically the most desirable of all relic cards. Here you can see a match-worn patch relic card of Shohei Ohtani from the 2024 Top Series 1 baseball set. Here's a match-worn patch relic card of Kylian Mbappe from the 2019 to 20 Panini Obsidian soccer set. And here's a match-worn patch relic card of Kylian Mbappe from the 2023 to 24 Futera Unique World Football set. You can see an explanation of the particular game or match the relic enclosed in the card is from.